So 10th standard student, now we are going through the geography chapter 4, and that is the soil. India soil means the soils of India. So in the previous video we have gone through the meaning and introduction of soil. What is soil, what type of soil, and then we gone to the types of soil. In the types of soil we got 6 types of soil. What are they? Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil. These 3 soils we already have learned about the characteristics of this soil. What are the crops we can grow there? Okay, which are the places of India where we can get this type of soil? Okay, why they are red soil? What is the content? Okay, what are the crops we can cultivate in this type of soil? So all these things, these 3 soils we have already learned. So today we will learn about laterite soil. What is this laterite soil? Okay, the soil are formed regarding the laterite soil. These soils are formed in tropical areas which receives. These are the soil which are available or formed in tropical areas which receives heavy rainfall and have high temperature. Rainfall is heavy, temperature is high. In that place only we can found this type of laterite soil. The soil dried up during summer. During the summer season, this soil dried up, leading to the formation of laterite rock. Okay, when it got dried up, it is very hard and it becomes a rock which is named as laterite rock, which is used for construction purpose. This laterite rock, they are very much used for construction purpose of the infrastructure. It covers an area of about 2.48 lakh square kilometer. Okay. These soil are found in the upland. Where these soils are found? These soils are found in the upland of Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, the Chotanagpur Plateau, Meghalaya, Rajmahal Hill, Vindhyas and Satpuras, means in Karnataka also. Satpuras is there, means in Karnataka also you can get this type of soil. Okay, Chotanagpur Plateau, okay, Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, Meghalaya Plateau, Rajmahal Hills, etc. These are less fertile soil. Okay, so used less for cultivation. These are not a very much fertile land like black soil or red soil is not. Red soil is fertile, but it needs, as it can't retain the moisture, it needs water. But they can, if we give the irrigation in both the soil, those both soil and alluvial soil is the super soil for this one, your cultivation. Apart from that, black soil and this one, your what is that, red soil, we can do cultivation in that soil. But this laterite soil is not at all fertile soil. So what happened, we can't do cultivation more in this type of soil. But in the summer season, when this laterite soil got dried up, that time it becomes very hard, and that time it becomes laterite rock which is used for the construction purpose of the infrastructure. Now, crops like coffee, cashew, tea, cardamom, pepper, rubber, coconut and other commercial crops grown in this type of soil. Okay, so what are the crops we can grow? Though it is not fertile, then also there are some crops which we can cultivate in this type of soil. What are they? Crops like cashew, coffee, tea, cardamom, pepper, rubber, coconut and other commercial crops or plantation crops we can grow in this type of soil. Now coming to the next point, that is the desert soil. What is this desert soil? With the name you can understand that it is found mainly in the desert, and desert we can get soil mostly which is having more parts of sand. Okay, so these soils are formed in under desert and semi-desert condition. These are not found throughout the India. Okay, only in the northern part you can get this type of soil. So these soils are formed in under desert and semi-desert condition. They are mostly found in the northwestern part. Northwestern part means nearer to your Pakistan also you can say. Okay, so they are mostly found in the northwestern part of India, that is a major part of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the border for Pakistan. Okay, so there only we can see the desert. Okay, so a major part of Rajasthan, southern part of Haryana is coming under that part. Okay, Punjab and northern part of the Gujarat, Kutch. Okay, that is the area where you will get this type of soil. Okay, they are fairly friable, have a content of soluble salt. Salt portion is very more. So in this type of soil, dates you know. So that is fruit, you can say, very good for health. Dates very much used to be cultivated in this type of soil due to the content of soluble salt in the soil. They are sandy and low in moisture. Okay, they are sandy and low in moisture and humus. Humus almost it is not there, means organic and inorganic substances. They are not at all present in this type of soil. No humus is there. It is very low in moisture and it can't retain the moisture for another 1 hour also. So these soils are not at all good for cultivation. They are not suitable for cultivation of crops. They occupy about 1.42 lakh square kilometer, okay, of the total area of our country. Now coming to the last point, that is the mountain soil. Okay, so what is this mountain soil? These soils are mainly found on the slopes of mountain and hills covered by forest. Mountain soil, with the name you can understand that what is this type of soil. This type of soil are found in the mountain. How mountains are? Mountains are not plain lands or not coastal areas. Okay, they are having a slope. So what is there? The soils are mainly found on the slopes of mountain and hills covered with forest. Soils are there, so dense forests are found. That soil is known as your mountain soil. They are found mostly because of the decomposition. They are found mostly because of the decomposition of organic matters. Okay, organic matters is there in the soil, means you are having lots of humus in your soil. It means this soil is absolutely fertile like the alluvial soil to do the cultivation. Okay, so they are rich in humus and are fertile. Here you can do enormous type of cultivation. Okay, these soils are having humus and due to the presence of humus they are very fertile like alluvial soil. They are suitable for cultivation of plantation crop. Okay, if you go for a mountainous place or hilly regions, you can see tea gardens are there, coffee gardens are there. If you go to this Chikmagalur, you can see that this one, your coffee garden. Okay, they are famous, world famous. And if you go to Darjeeling area in the north side, okay, you go to Sikkim, there you can see tea gardens. Those tea are world famous, not only India famous. Okay, they are world famous. Tea is coming from the place of West Bengal, that is Darjeeling. Okay, and the coffee gardens of Chikmagalur, that is also world famous. They are suitable for cultivation of, means they are suitable means this mountain soil. Mountain soil are suitable for cultivations of plantation crops like tea, coffee, and there are some fruits which you can cultivate in this type of soil. This soil covers an area of 2.85 lakh square kilometer. Okay, this 2.85 lakh square kilometer you can this mountain soil covers 2.85 lakh square kilometer. They are largely found where you can get mountain soil. You can't get mountain soil in a plain land or coastal plain. Okay, they are found in Jammu and Kashmir, the north of India, where we are having the hilly regions or the mountainous regions. So they are largely found in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, and along the Western Ghat. Mountain soil is also present in the Western Ghat because they are having the Malnad region. They are also the along the western side, western Ghat, you all can get mountainous place. Okay, so with this we have completed your types of soil. In the first video we have done alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, and in this session we have done laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. So with this we have covered up your types of soil. In the next video we will go with the soil erosion, then your this chapter will be over. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.